So one of the most common things people want to do on their WordPress sites is to add a map. And you can do that using a variety of different plugins. But plugins often require you to get an API key, and that can be confusing for a lot of users. And sometimes if you just want to have a single map or a quick map for a blog post, it seems like a lot of work to go to. There's an easier way to do it. A way you can do it without any API keys or signing up for anything. It's real simple, and it's just grab a quick embeddable Google map. So if you go to Google Maps, say here I'm just writing a post about my favorite sandwich shop and I want to put a little map that you can see where it's located. So I can go to Google Maps here and I can search for it. And when I find it, I can finish the search and it shows me where it is. Perfect. This is the map I want to embed into my post. So right here there's a share button in Google Maps. I can click share and I can copy the link, but that's not what I want to do. I don't want to just embed a link. I want to have the actual map there. So I click on embed map and this is what I see here. And there's some HTML. I hit copy HTML. There is the ability to create one that's small, medium, large, or custom size. So let's actually do small. And I'll copy HTML now. Now that I've copied that, I can switch back to my post and I'm going to add a new block here, and I'm going to do this as an HTML block. So just custom HTML. I'm just going to choose that as the block type. And I'm going to paste in that code. And you can see it's just an iframe there. So I didn't have to do any coding. I just copied and pasted this. Now when I preview, I'll see what I'll get. And you can see it gives me this nice little Google map. Even has the name of the location and everything there. Has zoom in, zoom out buttons. And you can do everything that you normally would do with Google Maps. There's even a view larger map button which will then open up a new window or tab and take the user out of it. I like including that feature because a lot of times when I see stuff in blogs I want to be able to burst out and go to Google Maps, maybe do Street View and other things. So look at that. That was really easy. I didn't have to include any special coding. I didn't have to sign up for anything to just do it. It didn't actually really take me that long. So I think this is a really good option for a lot of bloggers to be able to use maps in their posts. It's definitely a good option if you've got, say, a client that you're working for that just wants to have just one map and you don't want to sign up for the entire API to use Google Maps or some other map product and have a whole other plugin that needs to be maintained just to include a map in maybe an about page or a single post.